Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. This little module I have in my hand could potentially save you a trip to the dealership and hundreds of dollars in costly repairs if you own a Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon, Gladiator JT Rubicon, or a Gladiator JT Mojave. Today, we're checking out the Lynx locker sensor bypass module. Now, I'm underneath of our Wrangler at the moment here, checking out the rear axle. If you have a factory e-locker in your front or rear axle in your Wrangler or your Gladiator, they came with an inherent problem with the locker sensor connection right here. Over time, gear oil can seep into that sensor and cause it to fail, giving you a service axle locker message on the dash and potentially preventing you from activating your axle lockers, which probably is going to happen at the worst time when you're off-road on a trail and you need that extra traction to make it down the trail over those obstacles. Now, when that sensor fails, it basically prevents the vehicle from activating your lockers. And unfortunately, there's no easy way to simply replace it. Well, that's where the Lynx locker module bypass comes into play. We can simply plug this in line between our locker sensor and the factory connection right here at the locker, and it will bypass that internal sensor, sending back the correct information to the vehicle, allowing you to activate and deactivate your front and rear lockers found in your Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, Gladiator Rubicon, or your rear locker found in your Gladiator Mojave. Now, getting it installed is really easy. In fact, you can do it without any tools at all. However, a flathead screwdriver will help you a little bit at popping that small locking tab found right there on that factory connection. With that tab popped open, we can simply disconnect our sensor, plugging it back into the factory style connections found here on the Lynx locker sensor module bypass, re-engaging the locking tab, and the other end is going to plug right back into our locker connection there on the axle, and that's all it takes to get your locker sensor module bypass installed. Now, you could zip tie this up and out of the way if you want. You don't have to. It is built with high quality weatherproof components on both sides of the connection, and that module itself is fully weather sealed, so it will stand up to any of the conditions found underneath your Jeep. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase a Lynx locker central module bypass, so you can potentially save yourself from having to take a trip to the dealer and spending hundreds or even thousands on a costly repair, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the module or how to get it installed, you can always do those for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. As always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our future videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.